Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Magic Cardman, and today I'm going to teach you one of the easiest card tricks ever. You ready?
Okay, so I'm going to show you the trick, and then I'm going to teach it to you. So see, every card, it's different. See, every card is different. So let's randomly select any card. So right now we have this card. We have this card. All right. I'm going to cut the deck right in half. That's lost in the middle of the deck. Snap my fingers. Now, I'm going to lay all the cards out just like this. And your card was the... Spread them out a little bit more. Five of Hearts. Oh my gosh! How did I do that? So, how you do this is, so you see your card, hold on, the Five of Hearts is right here, and you memorize this card. So I'll show you. I'll show you. So we have the Five of Diamonds. Remember this card. So when you see every card's different, you memorize this bottom card right here, the Five of Diamonds. And the last time I did it and showed you, it was the Queen of Spades, and you memorize the Queen of Spades. But this time I'm memorizing the Five of Diamonds. So whatever card is on the bottom of the deck, that's card you memorize. So I see, oh, now it's Joker, or now it's, Three Hearts, whatever card's on the bottom of the deck. And you show them, hey, every card's different. So memorize this card, and then you really do randomly let them select any card. So right now, we have the Jack of Clubs. Jack of Clubs. So you put it right on top. And all you do, because this is in the bottom, you do cut the deck, and you're placing the card that you memorized right on top of their card. So when you spread the deck out, you see the Five of Diamonds is right there, and their card is right on top. And see the Five of Diamonds is right here, and their card's right on top of the card that you memorized. So all you gotta do is spread it out and just look for your card that you memorized to find their card. So see, we have the Five of Diamonds, and their card, the Jack of Clubs. But when you're actually performing it, you want to just grab their card, or point at it, or just say the card's Jack of Clubs, or whatever card they picked.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this amazing card trick tutorial. Hope it was fun for you, and you learned something new. And learned a super cool match trick today. Boom! Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications. Leave a like, even if you're already subscribed. And I'll see you in the next video. Boom!